Hi, thank you for joining me. My name is Chico. I am the West Coast Regional Maintenance Manager for Ford Property Company. Here to give you a couple of tips what to do if your garbage disposal is not working. First of all, make sure that we're concerned about safety first. Please make sure that your power is turned off, your light switch is in the off position, and please make sure to not put your hand down in the garbage disposal. If you put your hand down there, you can have a cut and then cause a very serious infection, or you can even catch tetanus from the metal parts inside that can be rusting. Okay. If your garbage disposal does not come on, always check the bottom of your garbage disposal. There is a little red button, a reset button that you can push, and if you push it in, that should cause your garbage disposal to turn on. After you push the button in, then you could turn around and try your light switch and turn it on and see if it kicks on. If it does kick on, or if you hear it humming, it might be that your garbage disposal is stuck. It might be that there's something stuck inside the garbage disposal. Again, never stick your hand in there. Might want to use one of these tools. I usually use needle nose pliers to try to get something out of there. Or you can use a disposal tool or an Allen wrench down in the bottom where that reset button right in the middle is a hole that you can stick one of these tools in there, and as you get it you can turn it and it'll break it loose. Okay. Also, please remember that although it's considered a garbage disposal, there are certain things that shouldn't go in a garbage disposal, like potato peels, cucumber peels, anything that will swell up with water, rice, beans, anything like that is not good for the garbage disposal. It'll actually end up clogging your drain line. You also want to make sure to keep bones, shot glasses, bottle caps, chopsticks, silverware, and stuff out of the garbage disposal before you turn it on. That also cause it to get damaged or maybe even start to leak and have problems. If you have any other further questions or problems, make sure you reach out to our maintenance staff or our office staff that we can help you. Thank you very much.